You've probably heard the term, but what exactly is generative AI? Is it some kind of super smart robot from the future? Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get into it. You've seen those incredible photorealistic images of astronauts riding horses, right? Or maybe you've read an entire news article that was actually written by a computer. Is it going to take over the world? Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. So, think about AI, or artificial intelligence, as a big umbrella term. Under that umbrella, you have all sorts of different AIs. Some are great at playing chess, others can recommend your next favorite movie. These are what we call discriminative AIs. Their main job is to look at data and make a prediction, or classify something. For example, is this a picture of a cat or a dog? Or is this email spam or not? They are super useful, but they're working with what's already there. Generative AI is different. It's the creative artist of the AI world. Instead of just identifying what's in a picture, it can create a brand new picture from scratch. Instead of just understanding text, it can write a poem, a song, or even computer code. The generative part literally means it generates something new and original that didn't exist before. It's not just sorting information, it's producing it. How does it do this magic? Well, it's all about training. Imagine showing an AI millions and millions of pictures of cats. It learns everything there is to know about cats. The pointy ears, the whiskers, the different fur patterns, the way they sit. It learns the underlying patterns and relationships that make a cat a cat. After all this training, you can just give it a simple text prompt, like a fluffy orange cat sleeping on a stack of books. The generative AI then uses everything it has learned to create a completely new image that matches your description. It's not copying and pasting parts of other images. It's generating a unique piece of art based on its understanding. The same principle applies to text. Models like ChatGPT are trained on a massive amount of text from the internet, books, articles, websites, you name it. They learn grammar, sentence structure, facts, writing styles, and even how to be conversational. When you ask it a question or give it a command, it predicts the next most likely word, and the next, and the next. Creating coherent and often surprisingly insightful responses, it's like a super-powered autocomplete that can write entire essays. And it's not just about images and text. Generative AI can compose music in the style of Mozart, create realistic voices for audiobooks, and even design 3D models for video games. The possibilities are expanding every single day. We're seeing it used in drug discovery, helping scientists design new molecules. We're seeing it in marketing, creating personalized ad campaigns. And of course, we're seeing it in entertainment, changing how movies and music are made. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this technology dangerous? It's a valid concern. Like any powerful tool, generative AI has a potential for misuse. Think about deepfakes or the spread of misinformation. That's why it's so important that we have conversations about ethics, regulation, and responsible use as this technology develops. We need to build guardrails to ensure its use for good, but the potential for positive impact is enormous. It can automate tedious tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. It can act as a co-pilot for artists, writers, and programmers, helping them brainstorm and create faster than ever before. It's a tool that can augment our own intelligence and creativity, not just replace it. So, to sum it all up, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that doesn't just analyze data, it creates new, original content. Whether it's art, music, text, or code, it's all about generation. It learns from vast amounts of existing data to understand the patterns, and then uses that knowledge to produce something brand new. It's not a magic black box, but a powerful tool built on complex mathematics and huge data sets. And it's a technology that is going to fundamentally change the way we work, create, and interact with the digital world. What do you think is the most exciting, or maybe the most worrying thing about generative AI? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about the amazing world of AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.